part 4 of us opening our new place. So, 1 second. Down there, somewhere, over there somewhere, around that corner, is the entrance. Okay. Now, in the last part, in part 3, I mentioned about finding the right location. Okay. Now, the reason I just showed you that stairwell is really, really important to us. Now, we did share a place with another club ages ago, and it was up like 3 flights of stairs. They were really slippy. They were horrible. It was okay. So the first strange thing considering our consideration was access has got to be easier, okay, than the last place. Okay, so 1 small flight of stairs, secure electronic security door, so it's easy to let people in and out, but it also means we kind of randomers just wandering in when we're teaching kids classes. It's more secure. That was important to us. Okay, we wanted to find the right place with the right things that really help us run our club and we can keep secure. 2, okay, the space. Now, we always had it in our head that we needed to kind of separate little areas for what we've got. So, I know it don't look like much, but we have a foyer. Okay, so they come in through this door, there's a welcomey table, and there's a place that people kind of congregate to say hello to each other, and you greet everybody and you wave and normal stuff. Okay, we've got our sort of stuff. You see my Hoover over there because I've given it a Hoover today to make sure it looks nice. Okay, we've got sort of another display that's got kind of, to be honest, that's my discount rack. That's stuff that's come out of packaging that nobody's worn, but they're all mismatched tops and trousers. I think quite a lot of clubs have those. We sell them off super cheap. We've also got our tables with our Dragon logo on. 4 sets, different colour chairs. Thought it looked pretty. And our matted area. So you've got like a little lead-in bit. We've got what is essentially like over there, like sort of a judo jiu-jitsu floor that we got with the mats, because I'll be honest, we bought the mats second hand, but they had been barely used. These mats are immaculate, these big 40 mils. So yeah, we got them at, again, good price. But yeah, it came with this peculiar judo floor that we don't really use apart from getting our guys to separate onto there to do some patterns and stuff. But the club has like accumulated equipment, okay, over the last decade and a bit. Yeah, we've got pads, we've got bags, crash mats, we've got brake boards. I made that wooden thing there, if you want to know what that is. I made like a brake board holder so we can do brake board practice. Yeah, we've got stuff.